Hi, look how disgusting these filters are. Would you eat dinner from such a plate? Because I definitely wouldn't. That's why today I'll show you how to clean the filters in your dishwasher. First, use vinegar for cleaning. Pour 2 cups of white vinegar into a bowl and place it on the top rack of the dishwasher. Run a hot wash cycle. About an hour is enough for the vinegar to dissolve grease and dirt. I recommend doing this once a month because I don't think I need to remind you of that nasty filter, do I? Time to clean the filters. After the cycle is complete, remove the filters. The first filter is the upper one, which is easy to take out. It usually collects food residues and mold. Yes, mold. So it needs to be cleaned. Then there's the lower filter, which might be harder to spot but collects even more dirt. Pour hot water with dish soap into a sink or pot to remove grease. Use a toothbrush or even an electric toothbrush to scrub the mesh surface of the filters. After a few minutes of scrubbing, the filters will be clean, and the dishwasher will work more efficiently, and now your dishes will definitely be mold-free. Now for the fun part. After cleaning, put the filters back in, starting with the lower one, then the upper one. And thank you. It's done. Now it's your turn to click the thumbs up button. Have a great day. And if your dishwasher doesn't smell very nice and you're afraid your friends will laugh at you, I have a great solution for you. It's an amazing freshener praised by many people. Check out my description and order it now.